How about a little later model sports car here at Unique, especially in classics? 2011 Dodge Challenger. Nice looking coupe in toxic orange. Now this particular car, nicest thing about it, original miles, 68,000, a little over 68,000 original miles, and it's one owner miles. This car was bought brand new. Title issued on it in 2011. Clear title that goes with it. Clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Confirms miles. Well maintained. If you're looking for the one to buy with the history this one has, it's a good one. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Don't foresee this one lasting too long. So you got the chin spoiler on there. Paint up in the front. It is not full of rock chips, dings, scratches like you see on so many of these with more of the blunt nose on them. Let's take a look at that paint. And as far as the paint, there has been no paint work to this car. All appears original. The other thing, the owners of this car wintered down south. This car has not been out in any sort of inclement weather, spent any winters, anything like that on the road. No, none, zero. The only modifications that were done to this since it was new, they had mud flaps, you'll hear them called, stone guards. They had those added to keep down on the rock chips, which guess what? It's not full of rock chips down on those lower doors or lower fenders. And the other thing is it was undercoated for soundproofing, so that was also done. Those are the only two things that were done to this car. Otherwise, stock. Interior on it would be the slate cloth interior. 5-speed automatic transmission, center console, dash, everything in good shape. Comes with both sets of keys. This one has everything going for it. Good color, good history, good miles, good everything. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. This Challenger is powered by a 3.6 liter underneath the hood. It has had the oil changed in it at approximately every 3,000 mile interval. Take a look up and down the driver's side of this car too. Not full of dings, nicks, or scratches over here either. Adult owned and maintained. The car needed something. It was done maintenance wise. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the interior of this. Check out a few more of the options. Of course, you're going to have power windows, power locks, power mirrors, do a power seat, and the seat's not ripped, torn, anything like that. Also in nice shape. Steering wheel controls, AM, FM, CD. Of course, AC, power steering, power brakes, all the goodies. Let's go ahead and start this. Check out the exact miles. All right, there's your miles, 68,136. Gauges all work. And again, dash in nice shape. Stereo system, everything functions. Climate control. I did mention both sets of keys. Whoops, be another one with it. If you decide to purchase this and the car shipped you. Alright, let's slip around to the back here. And again, all stock, no crazy exhaust, anything like that, no engine modifications. Just what you'd expect out of a 2011 Challenger. I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop this hood because you got to see underneath this. ahead and check out the engine bay too.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Hood's popped. Like I said, just look at the cleanliness of this engine bay. Tell it's been driving in nice, or driven in nice weather and well taken care of. Definitely somebody's pride and joy. So there you go, 2011 Dodge Challenger, one owner, clean Carfax, original miles, no accidents, everything you're looking for. Purchasing a new vehicle or new pre-owned vehicle, give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.